In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to My Files in Chrome and copy its file URL. To get started, open Chrome and make sure you're in the right workspace where your content is managed. Once you're there, look for the content section in the main navigation and click into it. Inside that area, select My Files. This is where your uploaded documents and other stored assets are kept, so it's the place you'll use whenever you want to add a new file for later access. After My Files opens, find the gray upload button and click it. This will open your computer's file browser so you can choose the document you want to send to the cloud. When the browser pop-up window appears, navigate to the folder where your PDF is saved locally on your device. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct version of the file, especially if you have multiple drafts with similar names. Once you've found the right PDF, click to select it. With the file selected, continue by clicking Upload to finalize the cloud transfer. At this point, the platform will begin sending your PDF from your local computer into your online file storage. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the document, this may take a few seconds. It's a good idea to wait until the upload fully completes before moving on, so you can be sure the file is available and ready to use. Once the transfer is finished, the system will generate a unique file URL for that uploaded PDF. If you need to use the file manually somewhere else, such as pasting it into another tool, sharing it in a workflow, or referencing it in a separate setup, go ahead and copy that URL. Be careful to copy the full link exactly as shown so it works properly wherever you place it. That's the full process. You go to Content, open My Files, click the gray Upload button, choose your local PDF from the file browser, complete the upload, and then copy the unique file URL if needed. If you're following along, taking it one click at a time makes this very quick and easy. And once you've done it once, repeating the process for future files becomes straightforward.